Hi and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you doing absolutely fine. In this video we will explore Bugle Rock near Bull Temple, Baswangudi, Bengaluru. If you're new to this channel, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribe. Please click on the bell icon to get all notifications from this channel. Please do watch, like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's explore Bugle Rock. Bugle Rock, Kahale Bande in Kannada, is a massive rock in the Basavangudi area of South Bengaluru in the state of Karnataka. It is an abrupt rise above the ground and with an assessed age of about 3000 million years old. Bugle Rock has generated wide interest among the scientific community. Kempegowda II, who came to power in 1585, the feudal ruler of Bengaluru, is credited with building 4 watchtowers, setting limits for Bangalore's expansion, which included a tower on the Bugle Rock. There are a stage and a small theatre where many musicians, cultural activists conduct programs here during weekends and on special occasions. Also has photos and wall images of famous Bangalore people, Kannada poets. Some to mention are D.V. Gundappa, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar and much more. Bugle Rock means Kahale Bande in Kannada, is an elephantine rock in the Basavangudi area of South Bengaluru, famously known as Rock Garden of the Garden City. Situated behind the Dodda Ganapati temple and adjacent to the Bull Temple, it is a different type of park when compared to Kabban Park or Lal Park, as it is mostly rocky. The shade of trees all around. This park is quite large and has a spread of 16 acres and houses a few Hindu temples. The garden is densely covered with trees and a great place for children to spend an evening playing ball. The garden also has a musical fountain. Bugle Rock Garden houses one of the 4 watchtowers which was constructed during the reign of Kempegowda during the 15th and 16th century. The founder of Bangalore and hence finds historic importance. It is believed that soldiers used to blow bugle, musical instrument used during wars, as a warning to inform people about any intrusions. Bugle Rock Park is a nice place to spend time with your loved ones. Many senior citizens visit here during morning and evening in groups for the gathering walk, also known as Walker's Paradise. This place is surrounded by the park are many chats and mouth-watering yummy food centers. Best time to visit this place would be an evening after 5 p.m. Dodda Basavanagudi. The Nandi temple is situated in Bull Temple Road, Basavanagudi, area of South Bengaluru, part of the largest city. The bull referred to is a sacred Hindu demigod known as Nandi. Nandi is a close devotee of Shiva. Dr. Basavanagudi is said to be the biggest temple to Nandi in the world. Every year on the last Monday and Tuesday of the Hindu month of Kartika Masa, a groundnut fair is held in the temple premises and groundnut is offered to the deity. This fair is known as Kadlekai Parise in local. Basavanagudi is a regular place to visit for tourists and is covered by most of the tour operators, including the Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation.